Hello viewers, my name is Jerry Lotson, a young Nigerian inventor from Lagos, Nigeria. And today I would like to introduce a new installation, inverter installation we just did. Take a look. This is an MPPT solar charge controller, and this is the inverter 2.5 kVA with tubular batteries. And now we start by powering it. This is how you power it. Wait for it to supply, and now it has supplied. At the end, we have to change over. Do you see the light? It powers things like TV. As you can see, TV is on, the lights are on. It powers industrial fans too. Now, it powers fridge. We have to wait for the surge to delay. And freezers too. Now it's on. See? So this is the first fridge we have powered, which is working. Now we are going to the second fridge. This is the second fridge, and we have to turn it on. This is the deep freezer. We have to wait for it to delay and supply. You can see this is the second freezer, deep freezer. So it powers it effectively without any. This is the pumping machine switch to pump water for the house. So now we on it. You see, the pumping machine is on right now. It's on and it's pumping as we speak. Action. So this is what having a solar looks like in your house. Powers fridge, TV, pumping machine, and so many. And this is 2.5 kVA, 24 volts. Action. This is the solar panel, 300 watts times 4. And this can charge your battery effectively and give you a good power supply to power your home. Call us for this. Our phone numbers are 07067661220. Thank you for